Well, every Tuesday, one of our Fox 17 meteorologists stops by a local school to share their knowledge with students. It's all part of our Weather Kids segment.
And today's experiment is focused on moon phases. Here's our Candace Monticelli.
Well, on today's science experiment, we are in Mrs. Davidson's 7th and 8th grade class. I have Gabe and Eden here with me to help me as we are learning about the moon phases. So you guys have seen a full moon before, right? Pretty cool. Kind of maybe a little eerie, a little spooky. But do you know how we get to a full moon? The process of it. Okay, so we're going to explain it. So what you need for this experiment, Oreos. Who doesn't love Oreos? We like Oreos?
Yeah.
We like Oreos?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. I figured we liked Oreos. Then we need 2 paper plates and colored pencils or a marker. So I just used a marker. So you make the moon phases, and then you have the sun, and you have the earth in the middle. So we go from full moon all the way around to new moon and all the way back to full moon. So the moon phase, it depends only on the position of the moon in reference to the earth and the sun. It's the big sun, how they all move around each other. So the moon's revelation around the earth, it appears to change shape and it looks different to us. So the moon actually isn't shrinking or growing, it just looks different to us. So we're gonna start easy. A plain Oreo, new moon. So we're gonna put new moon there. I'm gonna give you guys each an Oreo. So I want to twist it apart since you can see what a waxing crescent is, the next one. What do you think a first quarter moon would look like? Eat the cream off of what you would think a first quarter moon would look like. Let's see how close we can get. What is that one? Okay, so you guys both will have about a quarter. So you're close. First quarter, where you went off of quarter. Good context clue. It's actually a half when you kind of see the moon in a half. So you guys really got very close. You did more of a waxing crescent. Kind of words we don't hear about every single day, but that waxing crescent is that quarter illumination. So it kind of messes with your mind a little bit. Dropping Oreos everywhere, you're okay. So depending on where the sun lights up different sides of the moon depends on how the moon is in rotation around the earth. So we're seeing that sunlight being reflected on the moon in different shapes. Let's see if we can try this again. Oh, that one's broken. Take an Oreo. Let's make a waning gibbous. Yes, you're only gonna take a little bit of that Oreo cream off. So there's your waning gibbous. And then of course we go back to third quarter, which is your half, and waning crescent, which is leaving that little fourth sliver. But again, it's how that sunlight is being reflected on the moon. So the moon doesn't give off light, it just reflects that sunlight. So one orbit around the earth takes about 27 days. Almost a month. So that full lunar phase takes about 29.5 days. So if you're having a hard time remembering the moon phase, we can help you. There's a phrase, white on right, getting right. So it kind of helps you know it. So now the next time you see a moon, gotta grab an Oreo, right? Gotta grab an Oreo. So very fun. So there's the moon phase in the simplest of ways with Oreos. And that's today's science experiment, science lesson in Miss Davidson's 7th and 8th grade class. For now, I'm Candace Monticelli, Fox 17 News.